We are now going to be continuing to set up the network settings for the Windows Server that we have just installed. If you minimize this window, or if you wish, just close it and we can come back into it. Power off the machine. I'll take you back into our VirtualBox. You can see here, name of the server is now called Server 2016. Your operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, and your file location is a folder that you had initially created. There's your base system memory, your display, and your storage. What you need to do now is choose the settings, file, and then go into settings, go into network, and underneath network adapter 1, enable the network adapter, and where it says attached to, open that and press internal network. So it should now appear as the name IntNet. This will allow you to link virtual PCs together without them interfering with your own network card or the base computer. Press OK, and now right click, Start Normal. This is your Windows Server 2016 now starting up again. It'll ask you to log in as the administrator. So again, go to the top menu options, select Input, go down to Keyboard, and then down to Insert, Control-Alt-Delete. Click here and type in your password that you initially set up. As you can see this time, it's a lot faster. Just give it a couple of minutes to load. Now, minimize this window. Just cancel here. Go into the start of your virtual machine, not of your own desktop. So going into here, the start control panel, network and internet, and the network sharing center. On the left hand side, you'll see settings. I want you to come down to where it says change adapter settings, where it's highlighted in blue. Click on this and you'll see your Ethernet. On this, right click on the adapter and choose Properties. Open this up for you a little bit. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP version 4 and assign the following IP address. Now in this section, will automatically select the subnet mask, and the default gateway just leave blank. Close all the windows down until you're back at the desktop. Now you need to install and set up your web server and your internet information services. So at this point, I want you to log on to the Windows Server as an administrator again. And then in this section, I want you to select Add Roles and Features. Press Next. And in this section, I want you to select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation. So this will be the top one. Hit Next again. Now, from the roles, I want you to scroll all the way down and select the Web Server IIS. You'll find it here. And your window should look like this. Select Add Features. If you want, you can have a wee look through, but this is opened up for you, exact features that are going to be added. Press Next again. Next again. Next again. Next again, all the way through until you see Install, and press Install. Keep an eye on the installation, as it will take a bit of time. From here to here, it should be all blue. And it should also read Installation Successful and Succeeded. Once that's completed, just close all of your windows and go back down onto your desktop of your virtual machine. Should only be another couple of minutes. As you can see, it's now saying installation succeeded and on Win and then the following digits, and then press close. Close this window and you're back onto your desktop. At this point, we want to restart and log in again as administrator. If you go into Start, Power and Restart, option will be Planned and Continue. This will allow all the settings that you've just installed to take effect. Should only take a couple of seconds. And again, go up to Input, Keyboard, Insert, and type in your password. Now, to see whether your network settings have actually taken effect, you'll notice in this section it's now green, so the manageability, whereas previously it was showing red. Here, as no local servers have been attached, it's okay to ignore this right now. What I do want you to do is test your configuration. So if you minimize this folder, go into the folders on your VM desktop, go into local drive, so this PC, C drive. This is the new folder that's been installed from your IIS configuration installation. Click this, go into www root. This is now a read file. And to add this, add cool. And you should be able to see Windows Server Internet Information Services. Now this will be your root page that you'll be able to check and connect your servers with. Close this down again. And that's you back at your desktop. Remember to always, when shutting down, shut down from here. Sure, it's a planned event.